again. About 7:30 a.m. at JD Cycleworks in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. Give them a call if you need any upgrades, engine work, or if you just want that big boy power kit. Give them a call. But we're here. I'm gonna pull out. I got both the Road King and the Sport Glide here. So just to give you guys a brief recap, the Road King is going to get basically a service and make sure it's running well, a thorough look over, and the Sport Glide is getting an S&S 475 cam, Vance & Hines Pro Pipe, high breather, air cleaner, and a custom dyno tune, obviously by none other than Dave. So both of these bikes are a giveaway bike. Definitely go on to www.cycle-fanatix.com to get yourself entered to win this beautiful bike and that beautiful bike. This Road King, because I need room, and only because I need room, we're actually going to be giving it away a lot sooner than expected, because once I get Silverback back, I just don't have the room for it. So instead of April, we are going to do the giveaway a lot sooner, which will probably be January 15th. So definitely get entered to win on this bike, this beautiful Road King. Get yourself entered to win. So this way, at least I'll have one of the bikes out. I'm sure the people that have already entered are gonna be super happy. Whoever wins is going to get this bike a lot sooner. I just have to make some space. So definitely get yourself entered to win. Get on both bikes, www.cycle-fanatix.com. I'll leave the links down below in the description. All right, let me unload these bikes and go inside. We're also going to be taking all of Silverback's parts and bringing them inside, and let's see, maybe we can put something together. Stay tuned. Hey, how are you? Huh? Good morning, buddy.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, good.
What's up, Vinny? How you doing, buddy?
It's like our last warm day.
Yeah, yeah. It was beautiful yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, interesting.
You need that cool?
Wow.
Got some exotic panhead locker boxes over there.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yeah. Very cool. Like this.
That is sweet.
Got a little bit of engine work done to it too.
Nice, really nice looking. Wow.
Very tasty. And the pinstripe on the wheels.
Yeah.
It's going home today.
Oh yeah, nice.
From here.
Yeah.
Get some updates to this.
Remember that.
Tuning on it soon.
Everybody liked that bike.
Yeah. Yeah. Some here getting an engine upgrade. Let's get some maintenance upgrades.
What is this, dyno?
Yeah, dyno, yep, 2015.
Yeah, he's...
Getting them one of my 110 packages on there.
Oh, nice.
Just sent the heads out yesterday.
Sweet.
So we get some mild cam, some mild head work from throttle body, and they usually come out around 130 foot-pounds of torque and 116 horse.
Nice.
It's all about torque. It's not a horsepower build.
Sure.
But it's a real mild cam, so it's easy on the valve train.
All right, so I pulled out all of the parts out of the trailer. This is everything. This is all the tins here. I have the CVO engine guard, an oil cooler with fan in there, the Legends arc for the rear, have the other pieces, the side panels, chin skirt fairing in there, have all the lights and everything that came off the fender and the bags, Arlen Ness 14-inch big brake rotor kit. And Dave just pulled my bike around and I almost cried, because look at it. Look how lonely, look how poor this thing looks. It's just a skeleton. Look at this thing. It's in shambles. It needs some love. So we're gonna take it inside now and start putting stuff back together slowly. We'll see what we're gonna do. Maybe the rotors, maybe the front fairing, the fender. So hang on, guys. This bike is going to start to come alive. Stupid stuff out, don't worry.
You're like, your mom was on the phone. Remember that? You can start seeing
anybody interested in a black engine guard, let me know.
in stock.
In stock.
Put all that crap on here, and yours came up.
I guess that's why I come to work every day, right?
That's it, buddy. That's job security.
Tell me to get the fuck out of it.
I just step on you. You just gotta watch. I move around a lot. I do walk around a lot. That's It's just me.
We're gonna take the engine guard off now, put the new CVO engine guard on, and then there's new brackets that hold the fairing. So Vinny's gonna install that, and then probably put the fairing on and maybe both fenders. So we'll see how much we can get done today. Old engine guard, Bagong.
See, I'll have to loosen this up when I.
Needs a massage while he's working.
That's funny. All right, so now. There, this bracket's up here. And here's our old little Loctite, so don't fall out on you, because that'll ruin your day. Leave that loose. Now we need to get the new hardware for that.
So just so you guys know, this is JD's Cycleworks new shop bike. So it's a, what year is it, Dave? 21?
This is 2021.
2021. It's got the RDRS.
It has the RDRS, yep,
Okay.
the new ECM. And the reason why I bought it is so I could really spend a lot of time to develop the tuning process on these, because it is way different.
Right.
So it's just getting a mild cam upgrade right now with, of course, the Foamworks exhaust, RLNS air filter, all the stuff we use a lot of.
Sure. Nice. Sweet bike.
And it's, let me tell you, I put 350 miles on it this past weekend with stock form with the slip-on muffler.
Right.
And the handling on it's amazing.
Yeah.
And of course, Legend shocks to fix the back spike.
Right.
But not bad. So now I did this change, and I'm gonna be developing a map with this. And also, I'm also gonna work a little with some other tuning systems to see how they work with it.
Nice.
And find out what works most efficiently.
That's really smart. Yeah, that's great.
And it's the only way to learn. You don't learn by riding around a block. You learn by spending a day on it.
Right.
Then you make a change, you spend another day on it.
That's great.
So that's what it is. I like green.
No, it's nice. It's got like a fade into
Yeah, it's called
Like a-
snake venom.
purplish. Wow, it's really
Yeah,
cool.
the paint is called snake venom.
Really nice looking bike.
That's already set up with some sensors here, and so I can do my testing on it.
Oh wow, nice.
And, so that'll be sometime this week, and hopefully.
So this way you'll definitely be like one of the only ones that have a shop bike and test
Yeah.
kind of on the RDRS. So this way you figure all that out.
Yep, and I have to.
Yeah,
And I have
absolutely.
to deliver the running bike to my customers. I want them to
That's
be.
absolutely.
I want to give them the best running bike with the best throttle feel, and this is the only way I can do it.
That's great.
But we put these
And it's
bars
a beautiful
on here.
bike too.
We put these RLNS modular handlebars on. I love them. They fit me well. Just another choice for people to think of.
Right.
And it.
Nice looking bar.
That's all.
So you're gonna put the front on?
Yep, we're gonna put the front on now.
You're gonna cover up?
Cover it up and get some of that new paint showing.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's for the lights right there.
What do you think about the paint?
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah, very sweet. Very nice. A whole new look for you.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hold on, I gotta recut this here a little bit. Justify this. Justify. Yes. See, I don't have any tattoos, so I don't have to worry about it. I got scars. Take this out. I usually go to like just snug. Clean.
What do you use?
That is Novus. That's a plastic clean and shine, which works very well for the polycarbonate windshields. And they have different levels of the product too. They have some scratch removers, and
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Nice.
it's brand new.
Brand new.
Much better than laying on a shelf.
Cool.
That's how that'll look. We'll definitely install that once we're.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna look sweet.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys, got the fairing on and the windshield. What do you think?
All right, while Vinny's working on the fender, let's get this oil core set up.
Fan, number one fan, right?
Yes, keep it alive.
First fan of two. Keep it alive.
There we go. So it's not very hard to put this on. Essentially, we're unbolting this, changing these lines out, put it back on and plug it in, then I'll turn it on.
But you definitely want a professional to do it.
Absolutely. These screws can be a little challenging because they're a Torx T27 and they strip out very easy.
So if you guys are wondering, I picked this up. This is a Harley Davidson part oil cooler and fan. Is this oil cooler any different than the stock one?
No, same cooler.
Same cooler, it just has the, I guess, the mount for the fan, right?
Right. Here was a version that Zippers came up with. Which is essentially the same, but you reuse your stock core, you just leave it on there. And it mounts on really nicely with the mounting hardware when you plug it in.
Gotcha, cool.
So it's just another option.
Gotcha.
And that's their part number. You can kind of see in here, that's the screw you gotta get out. That's a challenge.
It's in there.
And you can't get a straight shot on it, so.
Yep, I see it.
They use the hex head bolt.
Because kind of the frame's in the way, right?
Yes.
Of the ratchet.
Yes. All right, so now we're gonna put this line off up here.
cut them off.
Yeah.
Stubborn.
Yeah, well, it's good. It's not going to fall off. That's the old one. And here's our new one. So we'll position our lines on there. There we go. And this way I'm not crushing the hose. Not too tight.
You also had a question. Do you have to turn it on, like when you tune it? Do you have to turn
Yes.
that portion on? You do?
Yeah, I got to turn it on with you can have Harley turn it on with their software, or with the TTS I can turn it on.
Great.
Or other tuning systems, you have that ability as well. So now that we got that, this goes in here. This will go in here. The other hose there is going to go to the engine block, which is going to come back out of the bike, so we're not going to connect that right now.
Gotcha.
Do this really well. Let's clamp to this direction. You're out on a ride, you go on a long ride or get stuck in traffic, you really got to go home and change your oil. Because the oils can't take the temperatures that these engines make. Even in stock form, they get very, very hot.
Right.
I got a couple lifters which already failed within a couple thousand miles on
I've
some
seen
bikes.
that picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of that is the oil failure.
Basically a brand new bike, right?
Brand new
2000?
bike, stock bike. So it's not only performance bikes you have to be concerned with, it's all of them.
Right.
Because these Milwaukee 8s run hot. They come stock with a lot of compression, they create heat. You know, so we got to protect them.
Right. It's a good tip. Change your oils, guys.
Yep, it's a lifeblood of your motor.
That's right. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. We got the fairing on. We have the new CVO engine guard on. We have the oil cooler with fan installed, and we have the windshield installed. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be putting on the fenders. We're going to be putting on the Arlen-ness big brake rotor kit, and we'll see what else we can do. All right, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. A lot of you guys watching these videos aren't subscribed. It really helps out the channel. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Till the next time, guys. Peace out.